Assalam-o-alikum friends, welcome back to another new video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. As you can see in our computer screen, we have a website that is running on XAMPP server, and as you can see it is not secure, and if we want to provide it a secure connection, and as you can see it is warning us that the connection is not private, it means the certificate is not valid. So by default XAMPP has its own default certificate which is not valid. So how to get the latest certificates? Just open the link which I have given in the video's description. Open this website from the description link. This website will provide you free SSL certificate for 90 days. Because this is free, so you will only be allowed to use for 90 days, and after 90 days you can do the same thing again. And if you get any problem, you can ask me in the comment section below. So as you can see, it is asking for domain. So type your domain here, fixthis.ttns.net. This is our domain here, and as you can see it is asking for our email, so we'll type our email here, but it will not ask us to verify this email. So make sure to check HTTP option here, which is by default in my case, and accept this, and then create free SSL certificate. And as you can see, it is a verification page, so we have to download this file and put it on our server. In our server there is a well-known folder, and in this folder there is a folder which is named Assalam-o-alikum, and in it the file will be this, which this website is providing you. So download this file, and as you can see, here is the file which we have downloaded, and as you can see, you can click here, show in folder, and here's your file, and just open your XAMPP server. You have here your control panel, and just go to Explorer and just go to htdocs, and here this is your directory which is public, and here is your HTML page. So create a folder here which is named .well-known. Make sure the spelling is correct here. As you can see, it is .well-known folder, and open it. And we have to create another new folder as told in this website. As you can see, in well-known folder we have to create another folder which is named this. You can copy this to avoid mistaking in the spelling. And here we will create another new folder, and the name will be this, and in it, as you can see, this file is downloaded, and just go to show folder, and as you can see, you can manually copy it from here and paste it to your this folder. So the link is now created .wellknown/ACME-challenge, and in it there is the file. So now you can click on verify domain, and as you can see, it is showing some questions. If you want to answer them, then answer this question, submit, close this pop-up, and close this, and as you can see, here is your certificate. So here we have the certificate files here, and as you can see, it is valid for 90 days. So first we will download our certificate files, and the second thing is also the part of certificate file. It is named private key, and it is called certificate CRT. Okay, and then just download this certificate. So this file will be downloaded. I'm just right now copying this file into my desktop to clearly show what is happening here. So just go to this PC again, and just go to file here, and just go to change folder and search option, and go to view, and just make sure that this option will check by default. So you have to uncheck this option to show the extensions of your files, and click on apply, and then click on OK, and then you will see the extension of this file, cabundles.txt. so now you can rename it server, and then change the extension in CRT. Okay, and the second file is the part of our certificate, which is private key. This is also a text file. Just I am copying this text file to the desktop to show you what is happening clearly. So this is a private key file, so we will rename it also to server, but the extension will .key. And as you can see, we have the certificate files. These two files are needed in XAMPP server to convert our link in HTTPS to provide our domain name and SSL certificate. So now we have server.crt and server.key. We need only these two things here, and now we can go to the explorer of XAMPP server, and here we can find Apache folder, and in it we can find config folder, and here you can find ssl.crt. Open this folder and just copy new server.crt and replace server.crt with the new one, and same with the ssl.key, and replace the server.key with the new server.key. So as you can see, right now we have implemented our new certificates here, and right now we are turning off our Apache server and restarting it, and let's check whether this website have a valid SSL certificate or not. So I'm reloading it, and as you can see, it is now showing connection is secure. But if you forget to type S here, so this will show not secure, so you must have to type https:// here, and then the connection will be secure. So thanks for your precious time. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to watch for more videos from this channel, you can subscribe to our channel. This is totally free, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss our new videos. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.